And the second principle is this is a little simple way. I usually don't like the simple way, but this is maybe easier to figuring out the dominant energy. So look at earthly branches first. I will say that. Let me just take this year's energy, run in the yang water tiger or yang water stem with yang wood branch, or rainwater tiger, rainwater with in wood branch. What do you guys think? Like, if we think we have to determine this pillar's energy, what's the dominant energy here? I saw some people just count the number, like there's one water and there's one wood. So I don't know, like either wood or water could be a dominant chart, a dominant energy, or the water from the heavenly stem generates the wood on the earthly branch. So all the water energy goes to the wood. So wood could be dominant. Then what if, yeah, this is kind of similar energy as the 2022. And this is also similar. Let's compare this. These three pillars share the similar energy flow. The first one, the rainwater tiger, water generating wood. And the second one, jawood red, also water generating wood. E wood high, the third pillar, also water generating wood. Same energy flow, but can you guys figure out what is the dominant energy in each pillar? That's why I set up the second principle. Look at the earthly branches first. And again, it is not 100% true for every case, but most of time, I'll just look at the earthly branch. And it is okay to just say the earthly branch is the dominant energy for now. We will see some more advanced pillar or advanced case, but for now, we can say just earthly branch is the dominant. Yeah, Jonathan is right. Yeah, so first pillar's dominant energy could be wood, and second and third, I will say water. So that's the starting point. When we look at the whole chart, and we have to determine what is the dominant energy, we look at the earthly branches first. Let's think this is one's chart, and daily master is yang water, and those are, oh, what? Please forgive me. This is my first time to be in live. So this is year, month, day, and hour. And as Jonathan said, most of time I explained in the video that the monthly branch takes the most of kind of dominant energy, but not 100%. I will say, let me figure out. Thank you, Alice. Is that right? Or I will say 40, 25. I don't like this number. Let's say 15, 15. Kind of. This is not really right number, but, or like this. 40% for the monthly branch, like 25% for the daily branch, and 15 for hourly branch, maybe 20 for yearly branch. That's how this is not exact number again, but this is kind of how I try to put the weight on it. So for example, this chart is kind of impossible chart. I will say like water for 40%, another water for 20%, wood for 25, and earth for 15. And then I try to generate around the character and try to control, but that's kind of a little more advanced level. But for now, do not count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 wood, and 1, 2, 3, there are 3 water. So the dominant energy might be wood. Don't try to do that. First, just look at the earthly branches, and then there are more water energy, about 60%, right? And wood takes just 25, earth takes just 15. So I will consider this chart is water dominant, especially this time of year is December. In the Northern Hemisphere, I have to be careful. But that is true. All the water kind of generates the wood, except this. This water generates wood. This water generates wood. This water also generates this wood. So wood is not that weak. Wood is strong as well. But comparing with those water, wood is weaker. That's how I want to say. Does it matter if all pillars are yang or all pillars are yin? Can you tell me more detail? There's several kinds of yin and yang aspect we can say, like this plus means also yang, like yang stem or yin stem. This is yang wood, this is yin wood. We can say that is also yang or yin. And the other way to say yin and yang is wood and fire takes yang aspect, or metal water are yin aspect. Seems like you're talking about this plus and minus, right? So you're talking about like plus, all 8 characters are plus. Yeah, that's possible. And we say, I don't know how to translate that, but we say that is yang patong, 8 yang, like penetrate chart. And there are also the charts that 8 character in penetrate chart. Ren born in winter Zi would be water strong. That's different story because we cannot only say this one takes all energy. Like for example, if we just switch the yearly pillar to Jiawood horse, now the situation changes. Even if this chart is born in Zi water time, like there are horse, fire, there are wood, there are dog. So comparing with other stuff, like other 60% takes different energy, and then only 40% of earthly branches is water. So I won't say this chart is strong. This chart is more like a weak chart, maybe very, very weak, even if it is winter time. I don't like these numbers, actually. I gave too much energy here, maybe, but yeah. So this is the really difficult to really obtain, to how to see the chart is strong or weak, or which element is strong, which element is weak. So definitely now wood is, I think wood is more than water in this case. Wood takes more portion. Like one character in the earthly branch is really precious because just one character difference bring whole other feature. Like if I change this tiger to the red, now it becomes maybe strong chart again because it takes almost like 65%. Those two takes 35%. But because we have to think about the heavenly stem as well, now I don't know. I will say strong chart, strong water, but it is possible to be a weak chart very easily. I'll say maybe 60. Yeah, compare with earthly branches. Oh, I know my teacher doesn't like this way, but I will do that, like that. Now I lost. No, it's not. This should be 15, right? Around those portion.